Why is it so cold in here? Oh, I guess winter is here. It's time to talk about winter skincare. Today on Face the Facts, we'll talk about all the ways you can protect your skin as the colder months approach. Of course, here in DC right now, the weather's a little bit confused, but suffice it to say, the colder temperatures are coming, and what can we do to keep our skin nice and happy? So first of all, I always try to remind my friends and everyone around me that just because winter is here and just because the days are shorter does not mean that the sun is gone. That means you still need to be applying SPF just like you would regularly. And in fact, when it is kind of cloudy, overhead, fog, maybe even you're in the snow, that is actually reflecting the UV rays. So you actually almost want to be even more diligent with the SPF during this time of the year. So don't forget, still sunblock, okay? All right, second important thing during the winter is, of course, everything's just a lot drier. You've got the heaters on that are blasting, hot heat at you, drying out your skin. You might have the wind blowing at your face. All kinds of things are fighting against your poor skin that's just trying to hold on to some moisturizer. So there are a few things you can do. The most important thing, I think, is finding a very good, strong moisturizer. If you haven't already heard about this magical ingredient called hyaluronic acid, or HA, it is a molecule that pulls liquid in and holds onto liquid. So it's a very common ingredient in a lot of moisturizers. The one I'm going to recommend as the best one that I've ever found is this one that we sell here called Lemieux BioCell Rejuvenating Cream. I was recommended this by one of our estheticians, Bonnie, but everyone here in this office loves it because this is the only skincare I have ever found, and we did look at a bunch of sites, where the first ingredient on here, which means it's the biggest ingredient, is hyaluronic acid. So it gives you an idea of how good this is at moisturizing your skin. So we all love this. But other things you can think about is anything with glycerin, maybe anything petroleum jelly. Those are also some good moisturizing ingredients, squalane, things like that. Come here, get a nice little facial. They'll blast those ingredients into your skin, really hold on to the moisture. And the last thing to think about in the winter is, as you're kind of holing up inside the house, maybe not going out quite so much, especially after the holidays, this is the time of the year when you might want to think about getting one of the more aggressive skin treatments, like a laser or microneedling or a peel, because you do have the time to kind of hide yourself from public a little while, maybe wrap yourself with a scarf so no one really sees all the things going on. And that way you can get that nice strong boost of collagen to your skin rejuvenation, but you can still manage your life and still be social and going out. So those are my recommendations for winter skincare. This is Dr. Lexie Wang. I'm a facial plastic surgeon at West End Plastic Surgery in Washington, DC, where we don't really have the worst winters, but they still are worse than LA, where I came from. And I hope you guys stay warm and safe out there.